Hola friends, welcome back to my channel. It's just Shaq to you. Thanks for joining. Today we're going to bring it all the way back to the bare essentials of how to get to a push-up. So this is a beginner friendly video. We're going to walk through some of the simpler ways to get you accustomed or ready to do push-ups. Alright, so first we're going to start by operating from the modified version, beginner's version. We're going to work on our knees, and then we're going to tuck our butt inward. Our hands, our wrists, elbows, shoulders should be in alignment. Now you can bring it all the way down, open up like a letter T, bring it back together, bring it up. All the way down, another letter T, all the way down. Now if you notice what happens with my core during this movement is that I keep it in. Make sure you keep that core braced. So you're kind of going to be landing like this. All right, let's go again. Bring the core in, the glutes are in. Remember, these are in line, all the way down. Look at where my elbows land. They land behind me, not out here. I know at home, if you're not used to doing push-ups, you're going to want to go out here. Absolutely not. Keep those hands by your ribs, straight line. Core in, bring it up, back down, letter T. That's one way to do it. Now, this is a traditional way that trainers teach. Let me show you the way I learned from my trainer. So, same way, butt tucked in, but we started going slowly down. Slowly up. Slowly down. Back up. See that? Doing it slow will make you stronger. So that's one way. We learned the second way. Now here's the third. What my honey likes to call shorties. We start low and we work low. That's a short version. That's not a full range. That short version will make you stronger. So he would make me do shorts on the bottom, shorts on the top, then a full range. So we'll go shorts on the bottom, right? Remember, these guys are in line. 1, 2, 3. That's a short on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. That's a short on the top. Full range. 1, 2, 3. See that there? If you practice any of these at home regularly, try for sets of 5 sets, 10 reps every day. For 2 weeks, you'll get to the push-up. All right? Now, remember, case in point, butt tucked in, hands are in line, we're going down slowly. And foot placement doesn't really matter. Back up. Back down, back up, back down. That's 3. Up. That's 4. Down. 5. 6. 7. 8. Look at those elbows, they're behind me. 9. One more, last one. That was 10. A good way to stretch your arm, just like this. Another wonderful way to stretch. And under, just relax. Enjoy that pull on your tricep. Switch. All right, we ready to do our arm workout now? I think so.